one thing I want to see tomorrow. We're gonna give everything we have for a win the 3 point.
Selamat malam. So I think tomorrow gonna be very strong match, because if we go to compare the two teams, we see that they will have more points than us. We see that they will have more budget than us, win us on pare-pare on first round, have better facilities than us, and have 10 days to prepare the match. So I imagine that they are ready. We're gonna try to be ready also. It's not gonna be an easy match. These things that I say, they will get advantage, but one thing that we have is our supporters. I think the supporters make a fantastic work when we play away. Now on a FEC Cup match, I know that they cannot come to here, but I think the players gonna try to do inside of the pitch everything to give a good result for our supporters. I already speak about Dewa, but there are 3 teams, not just Dua. So also, please, for the referee, for the Wazit, make a good job tomorrow. Make good job. This what I'm gonna say is not any excuse, because if you're gonna see, sometimes we win, and I speak also about the referee, because sometimes I feel that the people not respect the work of the players, of the staff, and I give example. Last match, in my opinion, Persija, we are speaking about Liga Satu, there are 2 penalties. 2 penalties. On minute 3, there is a penalty, and on minute 33, there is another penalty. It's very difficult to consider a penalty to us, and also very easy to give yellow card to us, because number 23 and number 41 need to get the second yellow card. And this is just my opinion. I know that my words not make any sense for many people, but if you want to improve the Wazi team, you need to analyze the matches, because if the player make a bad job, player out. If the coach make bad job, player out. And if the referee make a bad job, after 2 or 3 or 4 matches, he's going to be with the same team. And was what happened with this Wazit, because this Wazit make Tirabago's performance when was PSM Makassar perceived and we won, is the same Wazit that when we play against PSS Sleman, we are winning 1-0 and not make fall on the number 6, Ayub, make fall on Nanda, and consider the goal that they draw. And now against Persija, many mistakes. And sorry to speak this on previous conference match that we're going to play against Dewa, but I not see nothing happen. I not think happen. So please, referee, for tomorrow, make a good job.
Good afternoon. I think gonna be a very hard match, because we know they will have a good team, have good players, good individual technique. But we know we not have a long time for prepare this match. We're not training. But one thing I want to see tomorrow. We're gonna give everything we have for a win the 3 point.